Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door rack in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door rack. This door rack is mounted on a freezer door. It's used for storing objects on the door shelf. The main reason why the door rack should be replaced is if it's cracked and no longer stays in place. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the old door rack, we need to pull on the side tab and lift it up. Same thing on the opposite side. This is the old door rack next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to install the new door rack and place it in just above this side tabs and press it down. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.